Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd May. And first of all, national news. Domestic air traffic touched all-time high after 2,978 flights on April 30. Fully comply with laws, Byju's seeks to reassure workers after surges. Air India warned pilots of strict action over delay in license renewal. Bihar cancelled over 1.23 crore inactive job cards under Mahatma Gandhi Narega's minister. Odisha began backward classes survey, second after Bihar. Supreme Court deferred hearing challenge to sedition law on centre's request. 186 people rescued from Sudan through Operation Kaveri. WhatsApp banned over 4.5 million accounts in February and over 2.9 million accounts in January in India this year. Tamil Nadu withdrew 12-hour shifts a day, fuel in factories. End of Pesce calls telecom companies to include AI-based spam filters. Center to send special forces with anti-drone tech for G20 meet in Jammu and Kashmir. Now international news. US investor, a Twitter Blue subscriber, claimed he is losing 1,000 followers a day. James Herbert founded the first Republic Bank in 1985. US regulators seized troubled First Republic Bank, JP Morgan, to acquire it, expecting agreement to solve ethnic conflict by year end. Lanka president. Russian soldiers refusing to fight being detained in cage underground pits called Jindans, a report said. Now sports news. RCB named former CSK star as David Vill's replacement in IPL 2023. Saina Nehwal to skip Asian Games trials due to fitness issues. Odisha's Papi Hansda, first Indian to win silver at men's 400-meter hurdles in Asian Youth Athletics Championships. News related to business. Crypto scams exploits alarming stole $103 million from investors in April 2023, a report said. Bitcoin mining chip from Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey entered prototype stage. At Rs 1.87 lakh crore, GST collection for April 2023 is highest ever. Indian job market to witness 22% churn in 5 years, World Economic Forum. JP Group's flagship firm defaults on 4,161 crore loans on March 31. News from Science and Technology. IIT Mandi startup developed AI-based medical imaging solution to detect respiratory genetic disorders. New AI tool can identify cancer more efficiently better than current methods, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.